So here's an average guy's quick recipe for perfect filet mignon. 2 beautiful 1.5 inch thick marbled filet mignon, courtesy of my beautiful woman. Salt and pepper generously. Throw them into a cast iron skillet with butter, since we're carnivores. And I use the Gordon Ramsay technique of alternating 1-minute cooks, adding butter at the midway point. And for about 1.5 inches, we've decided today that we wanted to go about 10 minutes. So at the 5-minute mark, we added a little bit more butter and we brown basted it. Use that cooked off butter, that brown butter sauce, to pour or ladle over the fillets with your spoon to keep the meat nice and succulent. Then when they're done, you let those puppies rest for half the time, half the cooking time, which in this instance would be a 5-minute rest period, and then we go to getting. Quick, easy, beautifully seasoned, simple filet mignon. Beautiful crust on this, and beautiful juices right here. Bon appetit.